This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Caroline.badgett. Welcome to 12,366 Chirping Bird Lane, situated in the heart of Hardin Valley. This family-sized home has 2 bedrooms on the main level and 3 additional bedrooms on the second floor plus a bonus room. The master suite has a fabulous flex space ready to customize. Main level has great flow for entertaining large or small groups. Stay tuned for professional photos. Sellers would like to stay in the home until their new home is completed, which is currently estimated at 10-1. For more information, review the details below or contact Caroline.badgett at 865-966-1111.